go to school, get a degree, get a good job with benefits, buy a house, and you will be happy. So why does a six-figure salary today feel like minimum wage? Why are you making more money than your parents did, but you feel twice as poor? They lied to you. Welcome to the middle class trap, a system designed to keep you running. Without ever moving forward, most Americans think the problem is low income. But what if I told you the people earning $70,000 to $120,000 are the most financially trapped? Financial experts have a name for this. They call it being a Henry, high earner, not rich yet. In the 1980s, if you made $100,000, you were wealthy. You bought a house in 3 years. Today, $100,000 is just survival in a major city. The trap works because of asset inflation. Your salary went up by 3% this year, but the price of a house went up by 20%. You are running on a treadmill that is moving faster than your legs can run. But the trap isn't just inflation, it is psychology. The moment you get a raise, the system convinces you that you deserve a reward. A newer car, a bigger apartment, better clothes. These are golden handcuffs. You look rich to your neighbors, but you are actually a slave to your monthly payments. You cannot quit your job because you must pay for the lifestyle you just bought. The system loves this. A deeper debt makes for a more obedient worker. So, how do you escape? You have to stop playing their game, stop trying to look rich, and start becoming wealthy. Stop buying liabilities, things that take money out of your pocket. Start buying assets, things that put money in your pocket. Use your 9-to-5 income to build a life raft, stocks, real estate, a side business, anything that grows while you sleep. The middle class is a comfortable cage, but the door is unlocked. You just have to be brave enough to walk out.